Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Uber. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the option that says Account. This will take you to your profile and settings menu. Now, from the menu, tap on the option called Wallet. This is where all your payment methods are stored. On this screen, you will see a list of all the payment methods you have already added. This may include cards, digital wallets, or other options depending on your region. If you see any payment method that you no longer want to use, you can remove it from here by selecting it and choosing the Remove option. To add a new payment method, tap on Add Payment Method. After that, you will see different options such as credit or debit card, Amazon Pay, or gift card. The available options may be different depending on your country. Select the payment method you want to add. Then enter the required details, such as your card number or account information. Make sure all the information is correct. After entering the details, confirm the changes. Your new payment method will now be added to your account. You have successfully changed your payment method on Uber. Thanks for watching.